Hello everybody, welcome to Mark's Crystal Tutorials at Crystal Universe, or as I like to call it, the universe of crystals. So today I wanted to concentrate on Herkimer Diamonds. Now Herkimer Diamonds are named after a place in New York called Herkimer, and these gorgeous, very clear, double terminated quartz crystals were created under an ancient seabed. So a lot of Herkimers are up to 500 million years old. Yes, 500 million. They were created under a lot of pressure, so they are extremely strong, and they are the strongest out of all of the clear quartz. And they dazzle with a sparkle throughout history. They are really they are an attunement stone, okay? So how I use Herkimers is that Herkimers will help you attune to other stones. So if you're having trouble connecting to a certain type of crystal or stone, having a Herkimer with you, because of its very high frequency, that kind of breaks apart and creates space for you to experience the energies of other things, other people even, other stones and other energies. It's a very helpful tool to have. So, for example, I will use Herkimers when I have somebody who's a starseed, who is having trouble being here on the planet, or if you're extremely spiritual and sensitive, you're having trouble attuning to your physical body. I will use Herkimers with chips of moldavite, wow, around somebody's head. I know that sounds pretty intense, but it's only a few times I've had to do it, and because it's attuning the starseed home energies of moldavite to a person's crown, because also Herkimers are a crown chakra, and they will connect your crown to your soul star through your third eye. So it's actually very, very helpful. Herkimers, because of their high frequency, and if you're sensitive, you can actually learn to hear them, is that they're used in quite advanced spiritual practices. But even if you're starting out, they will help you attune to other stones that you may be having trouble integrating or attuning to as well. As well as they are sparkly and gorgeous and very, very pretty. So enjoy exploring your Herkimers. They are quite rare. They were quite popular years ago, but you only need a couple of them because they're pretty potent, okay? 3 of them is enough. So enjoy your Herkimers, go out and explore them, and thank you for allowing me to share again. See you next time.